What's up, people? Jacob here again. A Zeppo Works video for you. I'm gonna get into the Nova. Got some parts here. Get into it. I got a hot one in Florida. Gotta get these things done. Stay tuned, people. Stay tuned. So, alright, people. So, what we got here? I got me a new starter for the Nova. The one that's in there right now has been getting heat soaked. So I also got a heat shield here to wrap the new starter, because what happens now, it gets hot, and when I go to crank it over, it just turns over really slow. And then, oh yeah, we got some new shocks for the back of the Nova. But these are just regular shocks. I'm gonna get them pulled out and show you guys. But right now, I'm gonna get on the starter. Make sure I got the right one. But yeah, here's the number there. That's test starter. So it's supposed to be brand new. So, man or something. Yeah, there it is. Look at that. And that's cool. It came with shims and everything. You gotta shim these starters. Alright, let's get on right there and check it out. Okay, we're up underneath the Nova. And here's the Muncie. See all the numbers there. So, yeah, the starter is up over here. Oh, right there. You don't see it. I gotta drop down. Also oil pan. There, so I'm gonna be taking out the starter right there. It's a little greasy, so clean it up. Get the new one in, get it covered up. Just put it in room. It gets a little close to the header and stuff, but it's hard to see. I think I got you guys upside down now. Yeah. No, it's not like that. I don't know. I want to keep flip-flopping, so. Alright. Purple dry shaft. Get some kind of urethane joints in there. So, yeah. Getting the new shocks in too. And then when I redo the exhaust, they're coming up soon too. Took a little break, people, but trying to get back up in it. Get this bad boy to the track. Get them big meats spinning. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, people, got the starter out. That's there on the ground. You see, that's where it was. The 2 bolts there. Not that bad. There was no shim, so I'm gonna see how it is. If I have to add the shim in or not. And the 2 wires off the cylinder. One the power. It was here, and then the one for the activated. Pretty easy. Alright, let's get the new one in. Alright, here we go, people. Comparison is the new one. There's the old one. And looking at it, you can see here, that's busted off. You know? And never grinded either, right? Look at this one. This is built way better now. So it's been up here a minute. So get the new starter in, and like I said before, I went and bought the DEI heat shield. So I'm gonna put this around the new starter and get up in there, then return the core and get my $12. Alright, people, here's the warning too about the starter shimming. And here's, didn't come with it. Right there, it came with an Allen wrench and the 2 shims. So, and this is the procedure of doing it. So I'm gonna spec it all out and get putting this new starter in. Alright, and this is the heat shim running DEI, like I said. It's for starters. Stands at 2,000 degrees and stuff. That's not focusing right. I don't know why, but yeah, this is it. Versus shield. Well, people, you see the brand new starter, and there's already a problem already. So I went to go put this in, and the nose here's got to slide into the bell housing some. Well, the diameter here, from here to here, is too wide. It won't let it slide in. And well, you see here, I took apart the other starter because you see how small the nose cone is to that one. Well, you got to see them right next to each other. Hold on, let me see if I get this going. Yeah, that one there. That one there. It's smaller. See how wide that one is, and this one like that. So what I've been doing now is I took the old starter apart. You see the motor housing, the armature, and here's the brushes, which the brushes have wear. So since this is an AC Delco motor, and so is this AC Delco motor, I'm gonna take this new motor off this and put it on this housing. And I know I said that little tab is broke off, but I got no choice to use it right now because until I find another one. I do want to buy a mini high torque starter. I wanted to get this done so I could use the car right now because things that have happened. So I got no choice to use this car, so got to be at work on Monday, so I got to take all this and make one out of it, And like I said, I got that header, the heat wrap, so it should help out with the cranking issue there. The starter gets heat soaked. Because I took this apart now, and I can still feel the armatures. It feels pretty hot. I could touch it, but I can feel the heat inside of it. So yeah. All right, so stay tuned, people. I'm gonna Frankenstein these together and go from there. Alright, stay tuned, people. Alright, I thought I'd at least show you guys this. That's how the brushes contact the armature. You can see these brushes are a lot thicker. So I'm going to get this motor swapped out for that one. That one looks, yucky and stuff. And nice armature. So I think it'll be good swapping these parts over. And you see, that cylinder looks brand new, because I did replace the solenoid on there because it did get messed up, but the starter itself still cranked over slow, so, and I knew it had to be the motor. So you can see the armature. I might be able to clean that up, I don't know. That solenoid was $35 and the core on this starter is $12. I might just still put this together and keep it as a spare, because I can always clean that all up and clean the brushes up and and the armature, and it would probably work again temporarily. But like I said, I got to reuse the cone, so I gotta take this one apart. So continue on with this. Oh, there it is, people. I swapped over the solenoid and the motor over to the old nose cone. And you see the other ones here, the new one. It's very simple. You see that fork there, that slides over the armature thing here, because this is what pushes in and out to engage the starter. That stuff just, like I said, it slides out of here. You just got to move that. You don't have to take that apart there, but yeah. And then those are the old parts, and I'll get this up underneath there, and then I'll wrap it with the DEI wrap, and it should be good. Make sure you Loctite your bolts and stuff. You don't want them backing off, and properly torque them. So I'm gonna do that stuff out here. Stay tuned, people. More to come. Hopefully everything when I put the shocks in, goes in smooth. But man, this, yeah. Lucky for me, Chevys, older Chevys, a lot of these parts all swap over. They used all the same motors and solenoids for a bunch of different nose cone configurations. The 158 tooth and the 163 tooth flywheel, the difference there and stuff. But the nose cone, I didn't see nothing online about that. But I mean, you can clear as day see this one is way bigger. It's hard to see it, but yeah. Here goes my $12 core. Okay, people, this is how it came out. I got it all wrapped. I mean, you can see how close the header gets to it, but I mean, it's not touching, but yeah, it came out good. So yeah, just gotta get the negative connected. I gotta tighten it up. Came out really good though. Let me see it get a better view from underneath. I don't know. Right there. Okay, I'll start it up. Try out the starter. Alright, cool. Look at that Hearst. Woo! I ain't playing around. Alright, so okay, that's the electric fans. Alright, let's see how she cranks over. Ooh, nice. Couple pumps. We got no choke. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's the way it should be starting. Alright, let's get to the shocks now. Alright, people, so here we are, the shocks. Got it open. Let's pull them out. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Yeah. These are air shocks. So hopefully I can adjust the pressure on them and stiffness and like that, tune the suspension. Right now, instead of Viking adjustables or QA1s or something, that's out of the budget right now. So, gotta keep shit real. You know what I'm saying? But these Morels would be nice. I'm gonna try them out for now, see how it is, and like that, I can save up later. Got the bulk kit thing just in case and whatnot, and it brings they got the instructions and they got the air fittings, the holes and everything. So yeah, get underneath the car, see how nice the old ones come out, and take y'all with me. Alright, journeying over. Avon lady. Yeah. Okay, people, so you see the shock is there. It mounts right there. I got a new bolt for that. You saw that, but if I need it, there, and then put the light up here. Yeah, 2 bolts up top there. So pretty much, you know what I mean? You see this right there. So get this one out, and the other side. Here's a comparison. I just took it out and what's going in. These will extend out. But yeah. And these were blowed out already. They're bad. Look at that, they don't do nothing. just the spring. It's holding it out. He should be great. Alright people, so you see I got shock bolted in. Down there. Thing, this oil from the old shop, but it's all bolted in. It's on this side, whatnot. So yeah, now I'm gonna run the lines and stuff. Alright people, so Nova's running great. You saw the video driving. Starts right up. Shocks work great. Put some air in them. I did connect the lines up. I didn't show it.